So welcome to Tech News Friday for January 31st, 2025. So in this episode, Verizon, that's right, Verizon Wireless wants more money from you as price increases are coming. Yeah, we got to talk about it. Next, Samsung is once again in the news as the S25 S Pen controversy just got worse. And finally, the Galaxy S25 Edge may be DOA on arrival. We're going to talk about some of these reports and I'm going to give you my opinion. So let's have some fun. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with Tech News Friday. Well, bad news Friday, because none of these reports are anything good. So here we go. Listen, get ready to pay more if you own Verizon Wireless, because as of February, that's right, February, you will see a $4 increase on a single line account and a $15 increase for multi-line accounts. Plus, it's more. You will be paying $20 for each gig of data overage on your account. Now that's a $5 increase. Yeah, that's right. Sound like the Grim Reaper is still here. Man, Verizon Wireless is in the mix now with price increases. But don't feel bad, because T-Mobile did their price increases in 2024. They went up $5 per line. So I guess the $15 a month at Mint Mobile don't sound so bad after all. Listen, I have links down in the description below for that $15 a month at Mint Mobile. Okay, so Samsung again is getting ripped to shreds about their Galaxy S25 Ultra removing Bluetooth features and functionality. Check this out. Listen to what they're saying. Samsung is saying only 1% of their users using the Bluetooth features and functionality. So to save money, they removed the hardware out of the Galaxy S25 Ultra and they removed the features. Well, I got two issues with this, and I'm gonna go into a little rant here. Right? First, how did Samsung get the data to come up with that conclusion of only 1%? I mean, how did they get the data? I mean, they spying on us? They taking information away off our phones? Right? That's something that you got to think about. Next, with all the Galaxy Notes and the Galaxy S Ultras devices in the wild, 1% sound kind of low. I mean, very low. Listen, I've saw dozens of videos and I read a lot of publications and users are pissed, right? I'm not sure about this Samsung crap. If this was Samsung's strategy, right, to pull the S Pen features and remove the charging hardware from the Galaxy S25 Ultra to save money, where did the money go? I mean, us users didn't get it. But the phone cost $1,299 MSRP for 256 gigs, which is the same price of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, 256 gigs, $1,300. And that device has Bluetooth features and functionality. So if they're going to remove the S Pen hardware and the Bluetooth features and functionality to save money, where did the cost go? And it didn't, obviously it didn't come to the consumer. We talk about $1,300 and $1,300. And please don't hit me in the comments talk about, well, the 8 Elite processor costs more. Let me put this in perspective because I call BS on this. The Realme GT7 costs $549. The Xiaomi 15 costs $669. The Honor Magic 7 costs $769. The OnePlus 13 costs $899 and a bunch more. All of them got 8 Elite processors with 12 to 16 gigs of RAM. The Realme GT7 has a 6,500 milliamp battery, 6,500 nits of peak brightness. So for Samsung to charge $1,300 for this device, and they removing all these features and functionality to save money, that is straight bullshit. So number two, since Samsung created this problem, right? We had a few articles that came out that saying that a Galaxy S25 Ultra S Pen with Bluetooth capabilities was available to be purchased for $50. Well, upon research, we all found out that this is fake news. The Amazon listing that we all saw was a replacement S Pen with no Bluetooth features. Plus, Samsung has already confirmed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra S Pen device does not have Bluetooth features and functionality. There's no hardware in that device. So even if you bought a Bluetooth S Pen, if it's even being sold, it would not charge in the device because there's no charging hardware in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Sorry guys, that feature is gone. And lastly, the Galaxy S25 Edge is a device that Samsung shouldn't even release. Why are they releasing it? Why are they trying to play this Apple game? Why even release this device? It would get destroyed on the internet. You may ask the question, why? Why would it get destroyed? I mean, the device is going to have a 6.7-inch display with the 8 Elite processor, so it's going to be powerful, slim, lightweight. At this point, you might be confused. You may be asking the question of why. All the good points that I just said. Well, let's talk about it. This device is supposed to have a 3,900 milliamp battery in it. That's right, 3,900 milliamp battery with a 6.7-inch display. All the damn power running a heavy skin of One UI 7 with all this AI software running in the background, which is a disaster for battery life, right? It's no way to sugarcoat it. You got a big display, demanding software, plus all this AI stuff is a recipe for horrible battery life. Next, this shit's supposed to have 25-watt charging. I mean, come on, man, this is straight trash, right? But the rumor that this device will cost $1,000. Yes, $1,000 for 256 gigs, 2 cameras on the back, 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel, right? But look at this. Look at the Galaxy S25 Plus at the same price. 6.7-inch display, 4,900 milliamp battery, right? 3 cameras on the back for the same price. So what the hell is Samsung thinking here, right? What is the end game here? And why the fuck is Samsung calling this phone the Galaxy S25 Edge when the display is flat? It's nothing on this design that has any edges. So why are they calling it an Edge? Man, so if Samsung released the device in April or May, it's only the faithful fans will love to pay more to get less. They will be lining up to get this device and calling it innovation. The rest of us will be laughing at this bullshit that Samsung is trying to sell. It's crazy, man. Listen, man, I'm listening to them, I'm watching them, looking at the specs. There's nothing here that's innovative. Only thing I'm seeing here is a Samsung money grab, and the users are going to be left holding a bag. You know what? That's enough. I had enough. I'm done. Thank you. My rant is over. So if you want to see more Friday news, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about Tech News Friday in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.